Hi, do you know how to disable the remote desktop assistance to safeguard your system? Press on Windows Start button on your keyboard and then type environment variables. Click on edit the system environment variables and here you can see the remote connection. Just uncheck this, click on apply and then click on OK. So we can avoid unnecessary remote connections for safety and security. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to our educational channel. Thanks for watching this.